Hey traders, David Frost, LazyEMiniTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about the markets, we're talking about day trading, and we're talking about how to be successful with day trading. What you're going to see here in this video is a description of how the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract traded on Friday, August 18th, 2017. But make no mistake about it, everything that you're going to see and hear about in this video about how the markets trade can be applied to any market, any stock, any commodity, any vehicle with a chart can be traded in the same way. They all act and react the same exact way all day long. I teach a course that you can find at LazyEMiniTrader.com. In this course is an extremely comprehensive and total understanding of how the market trades, how the market moves, why it moves in a certain manner in which it does, and when these moves can be predicted with a high degree of certainty. So let's take a look at this particular chart to get a full and complete understanding of exactly what I'm referring to. In addition to the course, I give traders an opportunity to get my exact S&P 500 E-mini futures contract support and resistance levels each and every morning sent to them right before the opening bell. Here's a copy of the exact price levels that were sent to traders before the pit session opened on August 18th. As you can see, I listed in this particular day 3 resistance levels and 3 support levels, figuring that the market was going to trade in a relatively narrow range for the day. Take notice of the 3 resistance levels, 2443, 2439, and 2435. The 3 support levels were 2424, 2421, and 2417. Let's go pick apart the chart. The same levels we just saw are identified by the horizontal lines running across the screen. You can see that the market only reached the 2421 level on the downside, and the vertical lines, the black lines on either side of the screen, represent the start of the day on the left and the finishing of the session on the right. So when the market first opened, it came pretty much right into the 2421 level, and you can see back and forth in between the 2421 and 2424 levels for about a half an hour. You can see how once a level is broken on the support side, it becomes resistance and vice versa. So the 2421 was certainly resistance for the day multiple times. But here's where it gets interesting. In my course, I teach traders how to identify the highest probability trade setups on the board. The first trade setup occurred because of this particular pattern that existed on the charts. Where you see the blue box in no uncertain terms was a trade setup that existed for 3 specific reasons. All 3 reasons are discussed in detail in my course. Anybody that's taken the Lazy E-mini Trader course is able to identify exactly why this pattern was telling us price was going higher. So it was a relatively easy long trade, meaning we're buying the market at 24.21. Now, once price gets comfortably above a certain resistance point, more often than not, you're going to find price trading up to the next important level that was outlined in the morning email. In this case, it was 24.35. Now, look what happened as soon as price came into the 24.35 mark. Immediately, within minutes, began backing off and gave traders that were willing to sell short at that $2,435 level about a $5 pullback in just a matter of minutes. After that, price continued higher. You can see where the next resistance point gripped the market at $2,439. As soon as price came into that level, it once again backed off immediately and trended down for the rest of the day. Late in the day, where did the market find support? Right at one of the support levels listed first thing in the morning at $2,424. These are not accidental levels, folks. These are levels that traders learn how to calculate and figure for themselves in my course at LazyEMiniTrader.com. It's a course where I give you everything I've got. It's comprehensive, it's complete, and it's very well put together. It takes traders through everything you need to know to trade any market, any stock, anything that has a chart is readable and tradable. If you want to learn more about how the market works, why it does, what it does, and more specifically, being able to determine when a market is likely to make a certain move, then come over to Lazy E-mini Trader and check out the course. You'll learn everything you need to know to trade in any market you want to trade in. I'm David Frost, Lazy E-mini Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.